Hia bwana nani atasoma, atasimama hapa asome ya Shiru, ni Shiru mwenyewe anasoma. Thanks so much.
Dear friends, we have come together today to celebrate and remember the life of Betty Bayo, my cherished best friend. Betty was a person of immense kindness. Her presence in my life was a constant source of joy and laughter. Betty was more than a friend. As I write this tribute to my friend, my heart is hurt, wounded, and bleeding. Since you left to be with the Lord, I have been having sleepless nights. Food has become tasteless, and I do not know how to resume my normal daily schedule. Your death has left me in disbelief. And I asked God so many questions because I never thought, not imagined, that one day you would have gone on a journey of no return. Your death was so soon, my friend. How do I tell you, rest in peace? It is not easy for me to say these words. When things were tough and you almost gave up, God gave me a burden to stand with you tirelessly, financially, emotionally. I was ready to do beyond this, to stand with you. I've seen you fight and win so many battles. And when you felt discouraged, I was there for you. And even now, I was prepared, just as we have been there for each other in times of desperate needs. But now, how do I say rest in peace, my friend? For 3 weeks, we have been in and out of hospital. But I did not see any indication of you going on a journey of no return. The only words I remember, and I will always remember, is that you kept telling me that we should spend more time together because we will miss each other so much when you will relocate to the USA. Every time you will miss me, you would return me by calling me and saying, Shiru, come. You will miss me when I'll go to the US. Shiroka, you call miss Monodad the US. I did not know you would go forever. It is not well. My heart is in pain. My friend and my friend, and true to your words, I am deeply missing you. I am missing you, my friend. God knows I love you. I loved you so much. You were my best friend. I always dreamt of us raising our children together until they were grown. I wanted to see you succeed. And I always wished you the best, the very best. I know we'll meet again someday at the beautiful soul. And I will ask you all the questions I still have for you. I carry the burden of your kids. Sky underneath. I might not be able to fill the gap completely. And I cannot fit in your shoes, my friend. As their mother, I promise to do my best for them. I will try. I will try with humility, as God may give me the strength to check on them through their father, their daddy, and their shosho. have known you as a strong lady. I have known you as a fighter. Why did you give up? Why did you close your eyes permanently? Why, my friend, why? I wish I knew you were going and going for her, because your word about how I will miss you when you will go to US are in my head, in my mind. It is not easy for me, my friend. My heart is hurt, wounded and bleeding. When will I stop crying? You died, Bayo. You died thinking that everyone hated you. You were traumatized by social media bullying. And I says, Yake. You were the most trolled and bullied artist that I can recall. Even in your hospital bed, you were terrified that you would be mocked for your illness and suffering. I do hope that your children, Sky and Victor, and you will never go through the same pain you went through, my friend, in the social media and the society. All I hope so, if they will be kind for your children, for God's sake. My friend, how I wish you could open your eyes and see how people loved you. The country and the world is celebrating you, Betty. Your music and your ministry cannot be wiped by death. And you should never have left. Your gift in music gave hope to thousands and millions. How I wish you knew at the 11th hour how you uplifted their spirit. My friend, our adventure may have come to an end, but the memories we created, the life we shared, will forever live on. Thank you for your unwavering support, laughter, joy, and friendship. God, rest my best friend in eternal peace across the bridge. Till we meet again, huroko horo murata wako.
Kwa heshima kanisa tusimame. Dr. Sarah K. Toina rwimbo rugaga haria gacumbiri. Aini othe muikarite oro hau na thenya tumurani. na Yesu. Te quiero menos. A ver, oh, my kemente. A ver, hey, te quiero que no, ave motonya, ayaga sabede, te quiero que no te tenene, te quiero que no, ave ayaga sabede, te quiero que no te tenene, te quiero que no, ave amor, ma che yes. Hey! 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 Hallelujah. Everybody listening. Abona yes. Ananisubiri. Imani sana. Amigo, magie, amigo, yake. Ase beniji. Amane kilele. Abona yes. Imani sana. Asante, asante. Asante sana. Kwa heshima waibaji wetu, naomba tukae chini.
Tuwapigie makofi mazuri. Tuhorere ainia ituruhirwega.
Thank you so much.